Hello, thank you very much. Thank you for staying with us. So, we've successfully covered two eras now. The first one is the pre-digital era. The second one is the birth of digital data management, where we talked about the invention of Mr. Aman Hollerith, which transformed the way data was being processed. Because now data could be retrieved and analyzed with speed and precision. And that was actually the dawn, a new dawn in the field of data management. So now, the next era that I'm going to talk about is what we call okay, let me give it to you now. Is what we call the rise of databases and early systems. The rise of relational databases, and early systems. Early systems. So after the invention of the punch card system by Mr. Herman Hollerith and its adoption by organizations, so this paved way for this new era, which we call the rise of relational databases and L system. So as technology advances, as technology advanced, so did data management practices as well. And now our culture. Let's take us to a very beautiful point. Again, the culture is always landing us on beautiful points with flowers. That's awesome. So thank you. Now we have to give flower to a man called Mr. F. Mr. F. Code. Now this man, shout out to Mr. Edgar F. Code. His invention of the relational databases in 1970s invention of relational databases his invention of relational databases enable organizations to be able to perform their management of data in a better way. Because now, data can be organized into tables, rows, and columns. And that enable us to perform analysis faster now than before. So, shout out to Mr. Edgar F. because during the 1970s, he developed a system that we call relational databases, because when data is created, it's not put in a cup. Now, when data is created now, it's put somewhere called database. And this man introduced a type of database called relational, the first of its kind. So that's why we are giving him his flower, because he's a legend in the field of data management. So thank you very much. Now, the rise of relational databases and early systems. So, Mr. Edgar F. Cole's invention of relational databases transformed the way organizations now work with data, which enables better operation, and organizations were able to make insights from their data because it's now well structured, well organized. So shout out to Mr. Edgar F. Cole for his invention during the 1970s. So now we have to move to the next point, the next era. Thank you very much. Good.